Let us discuss the solutions of exercise 5.2 today. So the first question is that calculate Laspers, Pastries, Daubish Polly's and Marshall Edwards price index number. So we have to follow the same instruction for question number 1 and 2. दोनों क्वेश्चन 1 एंड 2 में यही हमें करना है, ये 4 प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. तो हमें पहले एक टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा जिसमें हमें एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम्स ऐड करने पड़ेंगे, जिसमें हम प्राइस ऑफ बेस ईयर इंटू क्वांटिटी ऑफ बेस ईयर, प्राइस ऑफ बेस ईयर इंटू क्वांटिटी ऑफ करंट ईयर, प्राइस ऑफ करंट ईयर इंटू क्वांटिटी ऑफ बेस ईयर एंड प्राइस ऑफ करंट ईयर इंटू क्वांटिटी ऑफ करंट ईयर, ये 4 कॉलम्स हम बना देंगे. ओके फिर हर एक में हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट कॉलम में वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग दीज एलिमेंट्स, ओके, एंड राइटिंग इट हियर. सेकंड कॉलम में आई विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग P0 एंड Q1, okay, this way. P1 and Q0 will be these two columns, and lastly for the last column I have P1 Q1, so it is these two columns. After I have multiplied everything, I will be adding these elements. Okay, so let's start doing that. Okay, so after I have written down all the multiplications, now the next step is to add all these values. Okay. Okay, so now once this is done, now we have to start calculating the 4 price index numbers. So for Laspers price index number, basically the formula is P01 of Laspers is equal to, I have to use the quantities of the base year, Laspers से base year. So P0 Q0 divided by P0 Q0 into 100, right? अभी P1 और Q0 मतलब 690 है उसका समेशन. नेक्स्ट P0 अपॉन Q0 का समेशन 420 है इंटू 100. अब हमें इसी को कैलकुलेट करना है. पहले तो 0 और 0 कट हो जाएगा, ये दोनों ही 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, तो हम यहाँ पे 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 2 ज़ा 3 ज़ा और नीचे हमें मिलेगा 1 ज़ा और फिर 4 ज़ा. तो हमें 23 को 14 से डिवाइड करना है. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 ज़ा which is 9. Then I put a decimal, so I get 0. Now 14 into what will give me 90? So 14, I know 14 5 ज़ा is 70. So 14 6 ज़ा हम करते हैं, तो that is 84. तो 14 6 ज़ा is equal to 84. I get 6 and 0. Now 60 के लिए I'll have to try 14 4 ज़ा. So this is 56, which gives me 40. Now for 40 I'll do 14 2 ज़ा because 14 3 ज़ा is equal to 42. So it is more, right? So 2 ज़ा is 28. So I get 12, which becomes 120. Now after this, we have to find only one more decimal. So this will most probably be 14 10 ज़ा is 140. If I subtract 14 from that, I'll get something greater than 120, obviously. So it has to be 14 8 ज़ा. So our final answer is 1.6428. So when I multiply this by 100, it becomes 164.28. तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर लिख देते हैं, इट इज 164.28. ओके, चलो अभी नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे जाते हैं. फॉर पास्चर द फॉर्मूला इज P01 ऑफ P is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100, which is equal to P1 Q1 is 550 divided by P0 Q1 is 335 into 100. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे ये डेफिनेटली 5 से कट हो सकता है, तो वही करते हैं हम. तो 550 डिवाइडेड बाय 335, पहले 5 से कट करते हैं तो हमको मिलता है 110 और नीचे हमें मिलेगा 5 6 ज़ा 3 बचेगा तो 67. तो दिस इज 110 डिवाइडेड बाय 67. So 67 ones are is equal to 43. So now I have to put a decimal. तो यहाँ पे 430 हो जाता है. अब ये सोचो, ये 70 के आसपास है, ये 42 के आसपास है. इसमें 6 ट्राई करना चाहिए हमें. तो 67 इंटू 6 इज इक्वल टू 36 प्लस 4 402. ओके, सो दिस इज 6 इज 402. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पे हमें क्या मिलता है 28. तो ये 280 हो जाएगा. अब वापस यही सोचो, 70 और 280 4 जाना चाहिए. तो 67 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 24 प्लस 2 268. तो 4 इज 268. मैं यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू करती हूँ, विच इज नथिंग बट 12. सो दिस इज 120. नाउ 67 एंड 120. अभी 60 का डबल होता है 120, तो 67 का डबल ऑफकोर्स इससे बड़ा होगा, तो ये 1 में ही जाएगा. तो हमें यहाँ पे मिलता है 53. तो ये 530 हो गया. अभी 530 के लिए थिंक 70 एंड 53. सो वील हैव टू डू 7s. 42 plus 4 is 46. So here this becomes 7s and we leave it here only. So our answer is 164.17. So now moving on to the next part of this question, that is we have to find Dobbish-Bowley's price index number. So I know that this is just the average of last price and past year. So this is equal to L0, P01 of L plus P01 of P divided by 2. So I just found out these two. So I got 164.28 plus, for past year it is 164.17 divided by 2, which is equal to 7 plus 5 is 15, 1 carry forward, 2 plus 2 is 4 decimal, and then I have 8, 12, 1 carry forward, so 3. So 328.45 divided by 2, which is 164.22 and 5. Okay, so this is the price index number for Dobbish-Bowley's. Now next, Marshall-Edwards price index number. Marshall-Edwards price index number में the formula is summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into 100. अब इसके लिए हमें चारों यूज करने हैं. तो P1 Q0 is equal to 690 plus P1 Q1 is equal to 550 divided by P0 Q0 is equal to 420 plus P0 Q1 is equal to 335 into 100. So this is equal to 1240 divided by, now this is 755 into 100. Okay, now we can first simplify this by cutting it by 5. So 1240 divided by 755. Now when I divide by 5 I get 2s, then here I get 4s, and then I get 8s. This for 5 is 1s, then I get 5s, and then I get 1s. Let's divide 248 by 151. So 1s is 97. I put a decimal point, this becomes 970. Now 150 and 900. Okay, you have to think in that sense. So it is 6R. So 151 into 6 is 906. So I get 6R is 906. So this is nothing but 64. We again put a 0 at the end of it. Now 151 and 600, which is 4R. So 4R for 150 is 600 and then plus 4. So 604. When I subtract, I get 36. I have to put a 0. Now after this, next is 2R. So 2R में क्या आएगा 302. Subtract करने पे मिलता है 58 और 0. एंड नाउ फाइनली लास्ट वाला हमारे पास क्या है 580 है. तो इसके लिए द थिंग दैट वील यूज इज 3R. ओके, सो आवर आंसर इज 164.23. Now we start the second question. So here again the same thing we have to do what we did in the first question. So first let me fill up all these columns. Okay, now after we have found all this, let us start calculating last price price index number. So the formula is now P1 Q0 summation is equal to 1160 divided by P0 Q0 is 720 into 100. We can cancel this 0. We can also simplify this by cutting it with 2. So 116 upon 72 will become 5R. Then this is 8R. And here this is 3R and this is 6R. We can again cut by 2. So this becomes 2R and 9R. And this becomes 18. Okay. So now we have to do 29 by 18. So this is equal to 1R, which is equal to 11. So if I put a decimal, this becomes 110. Now 18 and 110. So we'll have to think about doing 18 6R. $108. So 6R is 108. I subtract, we get 2, which becomes 20. This is again 1R, which is 18, which is 2 0. So this is going to continue as 111. Okay. So now our final answer is 161.11. Okay, moving on to the next price index number, which is purchase price index number. Now here we have the formula. Now we add in the values. So P1 Q1 summation is equal to 890 and P0 Q1 summation is equal to 550 into 100. फर्स्ट तो 0 कट हो जाएगा. अभी हमें क्या करना है 89 by 55. तो 1 is equal to 34. Okay, then I put a decimal. This becomes 0. Now this is 55 and 340. So I know 55 2s will be something 110. So उसका भी और 3s करना है, राइट? तो हमें 6s सोचना चाहिए. So 330 आ रहा है. So this is 6s is equal to 330. So 10 बच जाता है डेसिमल है करके 0. तो ये तो 1s ही रहेगा वापस. This is 55. On subtracting, this is 45. Now after this I have to put a 0. Now here, so I feel I have to do 55 into 8. that is 440. So that is 10, तो उसका 0 लग जाता है वापस 1000. ठीक है, तो इधर ही एंड कर देते हैं. तो वी गेट 161.81. Okay, moving to the next one, Dorbush Bowlies. So now we have to just take the average of these two price index numbers. So we have got our last best price index number as 161.11 plus for Pasture we've got 161.81 divided by 2, which is equal to 322.92 divided by 2. Okay. Now this is equal to 161.46. Okay, the last one, Marshall Edwards. Let's write the formula first. This is equal to P1 Q0 is 1160 plus P1 Q1 is 890 divided by P0 Q0 is equal to 720 plus P0 Q1 is equal to 550 into 100. Okay, now we'll add everything. So we get 0, then 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10, and this is 2050 divided by this is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 plus 7 is 12 into 100. This gets cancelled. So now we have 205 divided by 127. Vanza is equal to 127. So now when I cancel, I have 78, which I put a decimal to, I get 780. Okay, now this is 125 के आसपास है ये कुछ. मुझे पता है कि 125 इंटू जब 2 करते तब 250 आता है और 4 करते तब 500 आता है, राइट? तो अभी उस ही लॉजिक से हम करेंगे तो मुझे लगता है लगभग 6 आएगा ये. तो 127 इंटू 6 इज इक्वल टू 762. सो दिस इज 18. सो ये 180 हो जाएगा, तो ये वापस 1 आएगा. तो ये 53 आता है, तो ये 530. तो 4 127 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 508. 508 जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तब हमें मिलेगा, ये 2 हो जाएगा तो 22 आएगा, तो 220 आएगा. तो इसका डबल भी करेंगे तो 220 नहीं पहुंचेगा, तो ये 1 ही है. तो हमें मिलता है 161.41. Now in the third and the fourth question, in the textbook it is given to find Walsh's price index number, but actually the answers given behind are given for the 4 price index numbers that we have also found in question number 1 and 2. तो ये actually I'll be solving according to what the answer is given at the back, क्योंकि जब वॉल्श वाला ट्राई करते हैं तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स नहीं है, तो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन. तो अभी क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी इसके 2 क्वेश्चन किए हैं, मैं इसको बहुत फास्ट सॉल्व करने वाली हूँ, एंड यू कैन जस्ट वेरीफाई योर आंसर एट एवरी स्टेज. ओके, सो फर्स्ट step is of course to find these columns, and you have to multiply 2 columns for getting each one of them. Then you have to find the total and then substitute it in the formula. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now let's substitute all of this in the formula. So I'm going to substitute and then directly write the answer. I have already calculated this beforehand. Okay, so now that you have seen so many times me doing divisions, I guess now you'll be comfortable doing this. In case you have any doubts, then please let me know. Okay. Okay, so now moving on to the next question. The next question is also again the same. So I have not even written down the formula this time. I'm just directly going to be writing down the answers. But first I will find these columns, find the sum and then find the answer. Okay, so you can verify your answers now. So with that we're done with the fourth question too. If P01 of L is 90 and P01 of P is 40, then find P01 of D, Dauber and Bolle, and P01 of Fishers. So basically we are given Laspers and Pasteur's price index number. हमको ये दोनों price index numbers निकालने हैं. अब पहला वाला तो इन दोनों का average है, तो वो कर लेते हैं quickly. So P01 of Dauber Bolle is equal to P01 of L plus P01 of P divided by 2, which is equal to यहाँ पे 90 plus 40 divided by 2. तो ये है 130 by 2 which is equal to 65. ओके, तो इसका मतलब यही है कि अगर ये सब यहाँ पे हर जगह पे आप देखोगे तो प्राइस कम हुआ है एज कम्पेयर टू द बेस ईयर. ओके, एवरीथिंग इज लेसर देन 100. Now next, P01 of Fishers is equal to the geometric mean of Laspers and Pasteur. So this is the product and फिर उसका square root लेना है हमें. तो this is equal to 90 into 40 का square root. तो 9 का स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो 3 आ जाएगा, 4 का करेंगे तो 2 आएगा और ये 100 हो जाएगा तो 10. तो इसका आंसर आता है 60. तो ये दोनों हमने ढूंढ लिए हैं, ये काफ़ी इजी है. We move on to the next question, which is the sixth question. Now here there is a slight change in the question. It is given as summation P0 Q1 is 200 and again summation P0 Q1 is 350. Actually this is P1 Q0. Okay. तो नाउ वी आर गिवन ऑल द 4 समेशंस ऑलरेडी. तो टेबल बनाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें, वो डायरेक्टली जो हमको टेबल से मिलता है वो दिया हुआ है. तो अभी हमें सारे जो 4 प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर है वो ढूंढने हैं. पहला है लास्पेस प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर. लास्पेस प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर का फॉर्मूला लिख लेते हैं पहले. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. So first is 350 divided by 140 into 100. Now here this is 7 2s are and this is 7 5s are. So 500 upon 2 is 250. So the price index number for Laspers is 250. Moving on to the next one, that is Pasteur's price index number. The formula is okay, now here this gets cancelled and we have just 460 divided by 2 which is 230. Now the formula for Dauber-Bolle's price index number is P01 of Laspers plus P01 of Pasteur divided by 2, the average. So this is equal to 250 plus 230 divided by 2, which is equal to, this will be 480 divided by 2, which is nothing but 240. Okay, now we go to the next one, the last one. The formula for this one is Let's substitute the values now. Now on adding we get 810 divided by 340 into 100. Okay, so we have to divide 81 by 34. Okay, so let's do that. So first of all, it has to be 34 twos, which is equal to 68. When I subtract, we get 13. Okay, now we put a decimal, so we get 130. Now see, if you look at this, इसका डबल 68 है, तो 68 का डबल कितना होगा? It will be approximately 140ish, right? तो इसलिए हमको 34 थ्रीज़ा लेना पड़ेगा, which is 102. So we get 130 minus 102, which is 28. We have to put a 0 because of the decimal. Now next, 34 into what will give me 280. So let me try doing 34 into 8. Okay, so that is 272. So here 34 8s is 272. When I subtract, I get 8, which is 0. So we again get 2, which is 68, which gives us 12, which gives me 120. Now 120 ke liye again I have to use 3s, and we end it over there. Okay, so our answer is 238.23. Okay, now let's do the next question. Given that Laspers and Dobish-Burley's price index numbers are 106.32 and 164.18 respectively, find purchase price index number. So we are given Laspers and Dobish-Burley's. Now let's write down everything in notation format. So we have P01 of L is equal to 160.32. Okay, and we have P01 of Dobish-Burley is 164.18. Now we are supposed to find P01 of P. Now I know that P01 of Dobish-Burley is equal to P01 of Lasper plus P01 of Pashke divided by 2. Okay, let's substitute all the values. So I have that 164.18 into 2. मैं ये वाला 2 ऊपर लेके जा रही हूँ, लास्पर के बदले लिख देते हैं 160.32 प्लस ये वाला तो हमें ढूंढना है P01 ऑफ फर्स्ट। ठीक है, तो इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, फिर इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, इज इक्वल टू, तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं पहले, तो दैट इज 164.18 into 2. So 8 into 2. Okay, that is 328.36. Now we have to subtract 160.32. So that is 168.04. So we have got our answer. Okay, this one was quite easy. Now let's do the next one, the 8th one. So in the 8th one, we are given these 3 summations. The 4th one is missing, that is P1Q0 is missing. Marshall-Edwards price index number is given, and we have to find Lasper's price index number. Okay, so now first let us use the formula for Marshall-Edwards, and we can also call the missing one as X. So let summation P1Q0 be equal to X. Therefore, in P01 of ME, we have that X plus summation P1Q1 divided by summation P0Q0 plus summation P0Q1 into 100 is equal to, we have 150. Okay, so in the next line we will substitute everything. So we have 150 is equal to x plus P1 Q1 is 350, P0 Q0 is 220 plus P0 Q1 is 380 into 100. Okay, so we have to add this up and we'll take all the numbers to this side and then we'll find out what the value for x is. So I have 150 is equal to 350 plus x divided by 220 plus 380, which is equal to 600 into 100. Now of course this 100 and 100 will get cut. So I have that x plus 350 is equal to 150 into 6, okay, which is equal to 900. So 900 minus 350 is equal to 550. Okay, now we have to also find last pair's price index number. So P01 of L is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100, which is equal to P1 Q0. We have just found the value for that as 550. P0 Q0 is 220 into 100. So zeros get cut and this is divisible by 11. So we get 5 by 2, which is nothing but 250. Okay. Now we move on to the next question. Find x in the following table if last pair's and past year's price index numbers are equal. This is exactly same like the solved example that we had done. Anyway, let's quickly solve this. So first we will find all these columns. We'll find the summation. Then we'll substitute everything in last pair and past year's price index number and equate it. Okay. So first one is P0 Q0. So we are supposed to multiply these two columns. Next for P0 Q1 we are supposed to multiply these two columns. So that is 10 and 4. Next P1 Q0 is these two columns. So it is 20 and 5x. And lastly P1 Q1 is these two columns. So it is 10 and 2x. Now let's add it up. So this one is 30. This is 14. Next it is 20 plus 5x. And last it is 10 plus 2x. Okay. So given that P01 of last pair is equal to P01 of past year, therefore let's write down the formula for last pair, that is summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100 is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. Okay. Now first of all hundreds will go away. Now let us substitute the values here. So P1 Q0 is 20 plus 5x. P0 Q0 is 30. This is equal to P1 Q1 summation, that is 10 plus 2x, and lastly P0 Q1 is 14. Okay. Now we can easily cut the denominators and reduce them. So if I divide by 2, I get 15 and I get 7. Now let's cross multiply. So 7 into 20 is 140 plus 7 into 5 is 35x is equal to 15 into 10 is 150 and 15 into 2 is 30x. Let's take this x on this side. So we get that 5x is equal to 10. Therefore, we get x is equal to 2. Okay, I feel the answer in the solved example was also actually 2 only. So I feel the values have been changed very slightly. Okay. Now, let's do the next one. If last pair's price index number is 4 times past year's price index number, then find the relation between Dobish-Pauli's and Fisher's price index number. Now, these questions, if they seem difficult to you, trust me, they are not very difficult. What you only have to do is write down everything you know. ठीक है, तो पहले वो लिख लो जो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, फिर सारे फॉर्मूले लिख लो, उसी से आंसर आ जाता है। ठीक है, इसके बारे में इसको देख के पैनिक नहीं करना है कि ये मुझे आता ही नहीं है। ठीक है, जस्ट लिखना स्टार्ट करो। तो पहले तो क्या दिया हुआ है कि लास्ट पेस्ट प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर इज 4 टाइम्स परचेज प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर। सब नोटेशन में लिख दो, P01 ऑफ L इज इक्वल टू 4 टाइम्स P01 ऑफ P। ये दिया हुआ है, हमको क्या निकालना है, डॉब्रिश-बॉली और फिशर्स प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर का रिलेशन। तो पहले इन दोनों के भी फॉर्मूले लिख लो। तो P01 ऑफ डॉब्रिश-बॉली इज इक्वल टू P01 ऑफ लास्पेर प्लस P01 ऑफ पाश्चर डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड फिशर्स के लिए P01 ऑफ F इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ P01 ऑफ लास्पेर इंटू P01 ऑफ पाश्चर। ओके, अब क्या करते हैं ना, हमें पता है कि L01 इज 4 टाइम्स पाश्चर, ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करते थे दोनों जगह पे। तो यहाँ पे हमें मिलता है कि 4 टाइम्स ऑफ P01 ऑफ पाश्चर प्लस P01 ऑफ पाश्चर इज अपॉन 2. So this becomes 5/2 of P01 of pasture. And we leave it at this point only. Okay, now let's start working at this part. So this is P01 of Fishers is equal to, this becomes 4 into P01 of pasture. इसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी एक और आएगा और इसका हमें स्क्वायर रूट लेना है। तो ये क्या हो गया, 2 P01 ऑफ पाश्चर। ओके, अब हमें इन दोनों को रिलेट करना है। क्या हम एक काम कर सकते हैं कि दोनों साइड पे हम P01 ऑफ पाश्चर रखते हैं और फिर इन दोनों को हम रिलेट करते हैं। तो यहाँ से मैं लिख सकती हूँ दैट P01 ऑफ पाश्चर इज इक्वल टू 2/5 P01 ऑफ डॉब्रिश-बॉली एंड हियर आई कैन राइट दैट P01 ऑफ पाश्चर इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ फिशर्स. Okay, now because the LHS is equal, we can equate the RHS. So we get P01 of डॉब्रिश-बॉली 2/5 is equal to P01 of Fishers upon 2. Okay, तो इस 2 को इधर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा कि फिशर्स प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर इज 4/5 टाइम्स ऑफ डॉब्रिश-बॉलीज प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर. ओके, दैट इज इट, ये रिलेशन ही निकालना है हमें. ओके, तो सारे इसको 2 को भी इधर ले जाओ एंड दैट्स इट, हमारा क्वेश्चन हो चुका है. इट वॉज दैट ईजी. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट डाउन वॉट एवर यू नो. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If Dobbish-Bawley's and Fisher's price index numbers are 5 and 4 respectively, then find Laspers and Pasch's price index number. ये भी वही है, वैसा ही कुछ दिया हुआ है. इस बार हमें डॉबिश-बाउली दिया हुआ है, फिशर्स दिया है, हमें लास्पेर और पाश्चे निकालना है. पहले फॉर्मूला लिख लेते हैं, उससे काफी इजी हो जाएगा. तो आई नो दैट P01 ऑफ DB इज इक्वल टू P01 ऑफ लास्पेर प्लस P01 ऑफ पाश्चे डिवाइडेड बाई 2. And I know that P01 of Fishers is equal to square root of their product. Okay, now let's do one thing. इसके बदले हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा that अगर इन दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं तो we are getting 5 over here and into 2 करेंगे तो 10. So I can write P01 of L plus P01 of P is equal to 10. इनका सम 10 है और इधर क्या मिलता है, ये 4 है, तो इनका मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज 16. ओके, सो P01 इंटू L इंटू P01 इंटू P 16. Okay, now we have to try and find out the relation between these two. Okay, so for that let us do one thing. We can substitute over here that P01 of Pasture is equal to 16 upon P01 of L, right? And I substitute this over here. So then I'll get a quadratic equation which after solving I'll get the answer. So here I have that P01 of L plus 16 upon P01 of L is equal to 10. When I write this, I get P01 of L square minus 10 P01 of L plus 16 is equal to 0. See, even if you did not do this, it is very easy to logically find out the values. Of course, you know that these two have to add up to 10 and these two have to be the multiplication should be 16. ऐसे कौन से नंबर्स है जिनका प्रोडक्ट 16 होता है और सम 10 होता है? इट हैज़ टू बी 2 and 8. तो इधर ये वाला 2 है या फिर ये वाला 8 है, कुछ तो एक है उसमें से, ठीक है. तो ये सॉल्व करेंगे फिर भी वही मिलेगा, तो हमें वही यहाँ पे हम स्प्लिट करेंगे एज -2 and -8. तो हमें मिलेगा कि P01 of L is equal to 2 और it is equal to 8. अगर ये 2 होगा देन वो 8 और 2 होगा, ठीक है. तो उनके वैल्यूज 2 and 8 है, ठीक है.